The river's song, a lesson in flowing forward. Beside me, the Shock River flows gracefully, its clear waters glistening under the sun. It moves with a purpose, carving its way through the valley, never stopping, never looking back. Watching this river, I can't help but think, maybe life is a little like this. No matter what obstacles come in our way, we must keep moving forward, just like the river. It doesn't fight against the rocks, it finds its way around them. Today, I take a lesson from this river. No matter what life brings, I will keep moving, flowing, learning, and growing.